Welcome to the Aquaflow Crypto Lab. In today's video, we will talk about the Moonshot chart, the big picture chart, and the regression chart. We've been talking about the Moonshot chart for more than 1 year now, and it is the signal that we've been waiting for. In my last video, I told you why I think that this cross is not only about XRP, I really think that the whole altcoin market will be impacted by the cross. That's why we shouldn't underestimate it. In my humble opinion, it will be a big deal. In the past, the cross was very precise, as you can see. Every time that we touched it, we had a strong move to the upside, okay? So it was very precise. And that's why I expect it to be the same way in the current situation. Let's zoom in. You'll see what I'm talking about. Right now, it seems that we have a cross, guys. This is very important. Of course, we will have to wait for this candle to close to make it official, but if we are able to stay in this range of price, it will be official. And for your information, the candle will close tomorrow evening. I know that you are tired of waiting, and to not lie, I am tired too. But we definitely should have a decision by the end of the year. So far, XRP is still using both lines as support, as you can see. However, the price is still not able to make new highs, and this is my only concern right now. There were 3 attempts to go below the lines. Those 3 candles went below the lines, but fortunately, we were able to close above the lines, and this is very positive, guys. This means that the bulls are fighting, and this is what we want to see. When we see situations like this, indecision is at its peak. Why? Because from one side, the price had a bullish move. We even had a breakout above the green lines with these big candles, as you can see. So this one and this one, it was huge. And now we came back down to retest the line as a support with these candles. In the past, we used the very same line as a strong resistance, as you can see. It was the case here, here, and here. So it's great to see the price fighting to remain above the line now. This is very healthy, and this is common market structure. First, we used the line as a strong resistance, okay, for multiple months, right? Then we had a breakout above the green line, and we needed to retest the green line as a support before going up. So this is the real test that will decide of the future of the market. At the same time, there is this curvature of the yellow line. The yellow line was going up, and we have this curvature saying that the yellow line was slowing down. When we were finally ready to have a cross, the price stopped just right here, and we started going down, which prevented the yellow line from going up, and that's why we have this curvature. I repeat again, this cross may trigger the bull run for the entire altcoin market, so this is a big deal. In one word, I really believe that this is decision time. Let me remind you the 2 conditions that we need to have a moonshot. First, we need the cross, and we'll probably have it officially tomorrow. And after this, the next candle needs to remain above the green line, okay? To keep it simple, the cross will trigger a pivot point, and to know the direction of the move, we'll have to wait for the next candle after the cross. I hope it's clear. We should know everything next week, so if you're not subscribed to the channel, it's time to subscribe. Now let's move to the next chart. This is the big picture chart, and to keep the video short, I will just say this. With no surprise, the price is still trending below the last resistance circle, as you can see. On this channel, we always said that the circle was a big deal and that we needed to cross it to see higher prices for XRP. Unfortunately, we were not able to cross it, and as a result, we got rejections multiple times, and this time is no different because we got rejected in a strong way, as you can see, and that's why the price is still below the last resistance circle. That said, unlike Bitcoin, XRP did not make a new low compared to this June low. So this is good news, and to understand why, we need to switch to the next chart, the regression chart. As you can see, this chart is showing regression lines in pink, yellow, in green, and in green we have the bottom regression line, and this is the reason why the price stopped just right here. Do you remember when I said that we touched the regression line and it was very positive to see the price keeping on using this line as a strong support, and this is why we have this move to the upside. And after this I said that if we had to go down, of course first we have the 400 moving average as a small support, because in the past it was a resistance for multiple weeks, so we could expect this line to be a support this time, but it wasn't, because with this candle we crossed the line, and I said that our most important support was the regression line and that the price needed to remain above this line. So to sum it up, the price is currently stuck between the bottom regression line in green and the moving average. It's a tough place to be in, and do you remember when I talked about indecision? This is a perfect indecision scenario where we are stuck between two important lines. If we cross the regression line, I really think that it will be bad news, so I hope that we will be able to stay above it. Now you have a complete understanding of the current situation. If you want to track what will happen with us, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up, it helps a lot. That's all for today's video, and as always, time will tell.